Hi, I'm Tim Sexton, lead game developer for Led Zeppelin Pinball. Today, myself, Gavin Miller, and Jack Danger are going to be walking you through the installation of the Expression Light kit for a Led Zeppelin Pro pinball machine. When you're installing the Expression Light kit for Led Zeppelin Pinball, make sure the game is unplugged and that you've removed the playfield. Also, when you remove the playfield, make sure you have someone else there to help you. The tools you'll need for this install are a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and a 1/4 inch nut driver. First, remove the plastic filler piece using your number 2 Phillips screwdriver from each side of the playfield. Hang on to the screws when you remove them because they will be used to install the expression lighting system. Once you've removed all the screws, remove the plastic filler piece and set it aside. Remove the high current SPI board from the anti-static bag. Line up the board with the pilot holes on the side of your cabinet. Use the nut driver to attach the board to the cabinet using the screws provided. Remove the interconnect board and mount it to the cabinet as you did with the SPI board. The pilot holes should be between the SPI board and the cabinet node board. Attach the cable to the boards. Make sure you refer to the manual in your Expression Light kit to see all the positions. Remove the 48-volt cable and connector from the wire clip and attach it to the high current SPI board. Remove the data cable from the cabinet node and unthread it through these 3 wire caps, plugging it back in to the high capacity SPI board, connector number 13. You can pull any excess cable toward the back of the cabinet. Run the shorter data cable that came with your Expression Light kit from the high capacity SPI board to the cabinet node. Dress the cable using the wire clips that were holding the previous cable.
Alright.
Remove your art blade and carefully install it, making sure it lines up with the expression light you've already installed. Attach the cables from the expression lights to the board, making sure to match the color of the connector to the colors marked on the board. Attach a square ferrite clip to the expression light cables. Install the right light blade by plugging in the orange connectors to the marked spots on the board. Once the game's powered on, head into the service menu. Go to Diagnostics, Lamp menu, test all LEDs, and verify that all the expression light LEDs are working. Enjoy your Led Zeppelin Pro pinball machine with the art blades and expression light kit installed.
Hey, that's already, yeah, hey, yeah, Jimmy! Woohoo!